Come into a comfortable position. Make sure your back is straight. Tuck your chin slightly. Close your eyes. And we'll begin with some deep breathing in and out through your nose at your own pace, filling up on the inhales, opening your abdomen, your chest, your shoulders, and on each exhale, letting your whole body relax, letting everything melt away. And now let your breath flow at its own natural pace. And we'll do a body scan. I'll call out the different parts of your body and just bring your attention to each area. If you notice there is some tightness, gently release the tension. Bringing your attention first to the crown of your head, your forehead, eyes, cheeks, nose, tongue, jaw, ears, neck, shoulders, your right arm and hand, and your left arm and hand, your upper back, your lower back, your sit bones, your chest, abdomen, and hips, and your right thigh, calf, and foot, and your left thigh, calf, and foot. And now bring your attention to the rise and fall of your chest. And ask yourself, what is it that you want more than anything else in the world for yourself? And now ask yourself, what would you be willing to do just for today to move you closer to what it is that's most important to you? And now let that fade away. And bring your attention to your breath at the tip of your nostrils. Trying to be as curious about your breath as you can be. As if you are seeing your breath for the very first time. And when your mind wanders, and it will, always with kindness, no judgment, gently bringing your attention back to the breath, back to the peace and the stillness of your breath. And now bring your attention to the rise and fall of your chest. Feeling your lungs expanding and contracting with each breath. And just noticing the different sensations of observing your breath here. And now bring your attention a little bit lower to your diaphragm. It's more subtle here, so just do your best to feel your diaphragm expanding and contracting with each breath. And now taking your attention a little bit lower again to your abdomen, feeling your abdomen extending and relaxing with each breath. And noticing again the different sensations that arise from observing your breath at your abdomen. And now bring your attention up to your heart. See if you can feel your heart beating. And now feel your whole body breathing. Resting your attention in the gentle rise on the inhale and the fall on the exhale. keep your eyes closed for a few more moments. So we come out of the meditation slowly. And with a big inhale, take your arms up over your head with a big stretch at the top. And as you exhale, lower your arms and gently open your eyes.